Hello, everyone. Thank you to Astronomical Society of the Czech Republic for giving me this opportunity to be able to introduce an organization and a global project. My talk is about a study of variable stars in the form of the follow-up projects. It is written in the first slide and also in the conference program, my name is Atila Poro. I am president of International Occultation Timing Association Middle East Section, ITAMI. Since 2010, ITAMI was officially organized and began its activities during the first international workshop held in Bombay City in Iran in November 2010 on behalf of IUTA, Global IUTA. At the start of the workshop, Dr. David Dunham, president of IUTA, appeared in a video message and have a news to have a new region of the occultation observers for its beginning in the Middle East, and for having the largest audience of the participated for the occultation workshop in the world in that time. ITAMI includes two departments. One is occultation and TNO regions, and the second is about variable stars and exoplanets. It is very important for us to establish a good relationship between amateurs and professional astronomers. Therefore, there is generally a division of labor. Amateurs usually make observation in small observatories, and people mostly master or PhDs can also analyze the data. There are down under the supervision of one or more professionals, and the result and published in the form of an article in the journal based on the level of the activity. I want to give two examples that related to the Astronomical Society of the Czech Republic. The title of the first article is Light Curve Analysis of Ground-Based Data from Exoplanet Transit Database. This article published this year in the New Astronomy Journal, and this is the result of the photometric observation of exoplanet transit workshop held in Ankara University in Turkey between October 2018. In order to check the light curve of 6 planets for which an intentional analysis was made using ETD, was examined an independent software package, AstroMate-J, AIJ, and denoted the reason for the using it in the method section. In the data analysis section, we studied a total 82 light curves and extracted parameters from them, such as radius, cut, T1/4, and mid time and inclination in order to analyze the light curve recorded in the same passband. We plotted them in the units of the related flux with respect to the orbital phase for each of the filters. Then we analyzed the data with the same filter using AIJ software. Okay. The light curve related to special filters have mentioned. Then we analyzed the data, the same filter using AIJ. The prices values of the parameters show that using AIJ as a fitting tool for follow-up observation can let the results comparable with the NASA exoplanet archive. The similarities in the parameter values show the merits analysis of the amateur data by making use of the right software package such as astronomické and web service as ExoFast, considering the difference in the qualities of the photometric data, accurate by amateur observers, and the prices follow-up light curve from relativity layer telescope to derive the parameters giving in the layers. They are prove the follow-up potential of amateur university observatories or other amateur observatories in the providing the system parameters as well as mid-transit times. Such information will be invaluable concerning the numbers of the future discovering from the ground and space-based exoplanet surveys. Therefore, the role of the online data on the website on the Astronomical Society of the Czech Republic in the result of this project has been very important. We use the result published on the website and introduce and reference them in a good way. The second project I want to introduce is about a paper that published 2 months ago in New Astronomy Journal again. This project data is from 2 observatories in Czech Republic and Slovakia. Philip Walter is also one of the co-author of this paper. This paper's title is The First Light Curve Solutions and Period Study of 2 Contact Binary System, the 1370 Tau and QQBO. QQBO observed period in March 2017 at the observatory in Czech Republic. The photometry of QQBO was carried out by using a 20 centimeters reflecting telescope with SPIG CCD. Both binary system was observed in clear filters. The first study of this light curve solution for these 2 binary close contact binary system was present in this article. Also change the orbital period of each were calculated. The analysis of the OC diagram was done by MCNC in the OCP code, Python code, and the new ephemeris was formulated with these 2 binary systems. Okay, and I don't want to say the result of this paper, but just I can say about the the mass ratio of them is at the range of the 0.8, and we like a solution for them, and also the of them it is about and we also calculated distance, and it's very good agreement with the Gaia DR2 value for both of them, both of contact binaries, and also the components position we showed on the HR Curtis-Russell diagram, and we present them. Okay. Many times we use the DSLR camera and method for observations. This is common produced these days. Many small observatories observe variable stars and with the DSLR method, and also for it is the same for exoplanets. And the number of these observations can be greater for ground-based data. The number of minima obtained by them, even without filter, can be useful in the OC analysis. There are a number of the advantages and disadvantages of this of using the DSLR cameras, but it is very useful, and we also using this in many observatories in the Middle East and also other countries. We connect them for our projects, and many of the first paper I said they use the DSLR camera, and also we have many papers with this device, and it is very useful these days, especially for amateur astronomers and also the small observatories. There is a newly global project on contact binary system. This project name is Binary System of South and North, BSN project as a short. We are working on binary system, and our goals for selecting binary system is first one is W Orsa majority binary system type. Second, range greater than 0.2 magnitude, and 3, period less than 0.5 day, and 4, brighter than the magnitude of 13 at minimum, and also 5, observing in especially B and B filters. And also the last one, 6, selecting this light curve have not yet been studied, binary system, especially contact binary over contact or contact binary system. And the project aims are, first is the time of minima, find the period. Second, full light curve in one or more filter for light curve modeling. Second is, 3 is OC diagram to look for aspidal motion, period change, and third, bodies. And 4 is understanding for newly discovered eclipsing binaries. And 5 is publishing one or more joint papers. Now, this project, this global project, have one paper, some last week is accepted in RAA journal about BF-PAV. We worked about 6 months on that paper, and also we are working on a paper with 12 contact newly without study 12 contact binary now from north and south of the Earth, and we hope other observatories, especially in small observatory, join us. Now we have most of our data is from Turkey, Armenia, Iran in the north, and from south is from Australia and also South Africa and Argentina. So at the final slide, finally, more collaboration between small observatories and amateurs with semi-professional and professional astronomers can open up a whole new world of this, research activities in astronomy, and we are trying to implement this approach. Thanks to my good colleagues at the Astronomical Society of Czech Republic for being one of the oldest and the most important astronomical organization to make this effort in the world. Thank you so much. This is my information, contact information if you like to connect me. Thank you.